welcome back to Red Said Art. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a single crochet increase. So in order to do this, you need to be able to make a single crochet and know how to hold your tension. So I've already done a couple rows of single crochet, so if you want to do that now, please do. So I'm about to go into the next stitch to do my next single crochet. So I'm just going to get my tension and hold my work. So I'm going to go into that next stitch, which is this V here. I'm going to put the hook through that there, using the pointy bit to push through, like so. And I'm going to make my single crochet. So if you don't know how to do this, please do check out my video on how to make a single crochet. So I'm going to make that single crochet, like so. And instead of moving on to the next stitch, which would be this one here, we're actually just going to go back into the same stitch. As you can see here, we're just going to push through back into that same stitch and make a single crochet. And then as you can see, there is like 2 stitches into the same stitch, and that is your increase. So I'm just going to do that again. So go into the next stitch, make a single crochet, and we're going to go back into that same stitch again, like so. And there we go, that's how you make an increase. So if you're doing double crochets or half double crochets, you just do the same thing. Basically, an increase is just 2 stitches into the same stitch. Why not check out my book in the description below? It would be a perfect way to test these new crochet skills.